Welcome to AI Magic. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn your photos into talking videos easily.
First, choose high-quality photos that match your topic. Next, write a simple script that you want the images to say.
Add your script to the photo. The AI will animate the image, making it talk.
First of all, open Virbo AI. You'll see many options such as AI, script, talking photo, and video translate. I covered these features in detail in a previous video. Press on talking photo. Now, you can see a lot of images. You can either choose from these collections or select an image from your PC. Click and choose your preferred image from your PC. Then upload the image to make it talk. For this video, I am going to choose an image from this collection. I am choosing this photo. Click on Next. You need to insert your script. I have already prepared a script with the help of ChatGPT, so I'll copy and paste it here. After that, click here to customize the language, gender, and scenes. Check the voice if you need.
Wondershare Virbo.
Now play the audio.
Welcome to AI Magic. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn your photos into talking videos easily.
Apply subtitles if required. Finally, export the video. After exporting the video, you can download it.
Welcome to AI Magic.
That's it, guys.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share.